Good posture is important for a healthy body. It keeps your bones and muscles aligned. This helps you avoid pain and move freely. Poor posture is common. It can develop from bad habits like slouching. Over time, this weakens your back and neck muscles. This can lead to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Good posture is essential for overall well-being. Poor posture can have far-reaching effects on your health. It's not just about looking slouched or tired. The implications are much deeper and more serious than many realize. When you slouch or hunch over, you put stress on your spine. This stress can lead to a misalignment of the vertebrae, which in turn can cause a cascade of other health issues. This can cause back pain, neck pain, and headaches. The discomfort can become chronic, affecting your daily activities and overall quality of life. Imagine trying to focus on work or enjoy your hobbies while constantly battling pain. Poor posture also affects your breathing. When you slouch, your diaphragm cannot move as freely, which restricts your ability to take deep breaths. When your chest is compressed, your lungs cannot fully expand. This means less oxygen is getting into your bloodstream, which can make you feel tired and sluggish. This can lead to fatigue and shortness of breath. Over time, the lack of proper oxygenation can affect your energy levels and even your cognitive function, making it harder to concentrate and stay alert. Over time, poor posture can even affect your digestion and mood. When you are hunched over, your internal organs are compressed, which can interfere with the normal functioning of your digestive system. This can lead to issues like acid reflux, constipation, and other gastrointestinal problems. Additionally, the physical discomfort and reduced oxygen levels can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety, further impacting your mental well-being. The good news is that improving your posture can help alleviate many of these issues. Simple changes like sitting up straight, using ergonomic furniture, and taking regular breaks to stretch can make a significant difference. By being mindful of your posture, you can improve not only your physical health, but also your overall quality of life. So take a moment to check your posture right now. Small adjustments can lead to big improvements in how you feel and function every day. Remember, good posture is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living a healthier, more comfortable life. Your spine is the backbone of your body. It is made up of small bones called vertebrae. These bones are connected by discs which act as cushions. The spine has natural curves that help distribute your weight. Good posture helps maintain these curves. When you have poor posture, these curves can become exaggerated or flattened. This can lead to pain and discomfort. Good posture has many benefits for your physical and mental health. It helps reduce back pain, neck pain, and headaches. Good posture also improves your breathing, digestion, and circulation. When you stand tall, you feel more confident and energetic. Good posture also reduces stress on your joints, muscles, and ligaments. It is essential for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. Section 5. Exercise 1. Wall stands. Wall stands are a simple exercise that helps improve your posture. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Your feet should be shoulder-width apart, a few inches away from the wall. Relax your shoulders and tuck in your chin. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Repeat this exercise several times a day. Section 6. Exercise 2. Chin tucks. Chin tucks help strengthen the muscles that support your neck. Sit or stand with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Gently tuck your chin towards your chest. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. You can do chin tucks throughout the day, even while sitting at your desk. Section 7. Exercise 3. Shoulder blade squeeze. Shoulder blade squeezes help improve your upper back posture. Sit or stand with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you are trying to touch them. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles that keep your shoulders back. Section 8. Exercise 4. Cat-cow stretch. This is a fundamental yoga pose that is perfect for beginners and experienced practitioners alike. It's a gentle, flowing movement that helps to warm up the spine and is often used as a warm-up in yoga classes. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle yoga pose that improves spinal mobility. It's particularly beneficial for those who spend a lot of time sitting or have a sedentary lifestyle, as it helps to counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. Start on your hands and knees with your back flat. Ensure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. This position is known as the tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. This is the cat pose. Feel the stretch along your spine and the space between your shoulder blades. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone. This is the cow pose. Feel the gentle stretch in your lower back and the opening of your chest. Continue flowing between these two poses for 5 to 10 breaths. Move slowly and with control, synchronizing your breath with your movements. This helps to create a meditative flow that can calm the mind and reduce stress. This stretch helps improve flexibility and reduce tension in your back. It also promotes better posture and can help alleviate back pain. Incorporate the cat-cow stretch into your daily routine to maintain a healthy spine and improve overall well-being. Practicing the cat-cow stretch in a serene environment, such as outdoors or in a quiet room, can enhance the calming effects of this exercise. The gentle movement and focused breathing can help you connect with your body and mind, promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. After completing the cat-cow stretch, take a moment to notice how your body feels. You may feel more relaxed and centered, with a greater sense of ease in your spine. This simple yet effective stretch is a wonderful addition to any fitness or wellness routine. Section 9. Maintaining good posture at work. In today's fast-paced work environment, maintaining good posture is crucial for overall health and productivity. Many people have desk jobs that require sitting for long periods. This sedentary lifestyle can have significant impacts on our physical well-being if not managed properly. Sitting for extended periods can lead to poor posture and back pain. Over time, this can result in chronic discomfort and even more serious health issues. To combat these issues, it's essential to ensure that your chair supports your lower back and that your feet are flat on the floor. An ergonomic chair can make a world of difference by providing the necessary support to maintain the natural curve of your spine. Additionally, taking regular breaks to stand up, stretch, and walk around is vital. These breaks help to relieve muscle tension and improve circulation, reducing the risk of developing musculoskeletal problems. When it comes to phone calls, using a headset can prevent neck strain. Holding a phone between your ear and shoulder for prolonged periods can cause significant discomfort and lead to poor posture. By making small adjustments, such as positioning your monitor at eye level and keeping your keyboard and mouse within easy reach, you can maintain good posture even while working at a desk. These changes may seem minor, but they can have a substantial impact on your overall comfort and health. Incorporating desk exercises and using a standing desk can also be beneficial. Desk exercises, such as shoulder rolls and seated leg lifts, can help to keep your muscles active and reduce stiffness. A standing desk allows you to alternate between sitting and standing, promoting better posture and reducing the strain on your back and neck. Setting up an ergonomic workspace is key to maintaining good posture. This includes using tools like a footrest and lumbar support to ensure that your body is properly aligned. An ergonomic workspace not only enhances comfort, but also boosts productivity by reducing the physical strain associated with prolonged sitting. Practicing good posture consistently can lead to long-term benefits, including reduced pain, increased energy levels, and improved focus. By being mindful of your posture and making the necessary adjustments, you can create a healthier and more comfortable work environment. Remember, maintaining good posture at work is not just about avoiding pain. It's about fostering a healthier lifestyle. Encourage your colleagues to adopt these practices as well, creating a supportive and health-conscious workplace for everyone. In conclusion, taking the time to set up an ergonomic workspace and practicing good posture can significantly improve your well-being. It's a small investment that pays off in the long run, leading to a more comfortable and productive work experience. So, take the first step today. Adjust your chair, take regular breaks, and be mindful of your posture. Your body will thank you, and you'll find yourself feeling better and working more efficiently. Section 10. Creating healthy habits. Improving your posture requires creating healthy habits. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day. Stand tall, with your shoulders relaxed and your chin slightly tucked. Engage your core muscles to support your spine. Incorporate the exercises into your daily routine. Over time, good posture will become second nature. Section 11. Conclusion. Good posture is essential for a healthy and pain-free life. By understanding the importance of posture and incorporating simple exercises and tips into your daily routine, you can improve your spinal health, reduce pain, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember to be patient and consistent with your efforts, and soon you'll be standing taller and feeling more confident than ever before.